can remove parts of the display when we're in the Machine Tools simulation module. Okay, so this is in the PartMaster CAM system, so if we just run this through into the simulator, fairly simple little part, but it shows the principle. Okay, so what we need to do is, these are the default settings within the simulator for the stock. So I'll show you what happens when we take that into the simulator. Okay, so there's a couple of things that that we need to do. If we just run this simulation, okay, and you'll notice that the stock part is the same as the inside, so it's all one physical piece of the display. So what we need to do is we need to separate the inside from the outside. So to do that, we need to change our stock. So if I come out of the simulator back to this screen here, so if we set our Z border, which is the amount of extra material left on when it's simulating, to 0, and then we simulate the part, if we just fast forward that through to the end, then what you'll see now is that the inside has been separated from the outside. Okay, so there are now two distinct parts there, as you can see, the inside and the outside. Now the way that it shows them as separate parts is under the Analyze tab here. The normal method of showing the part is with just the tool number. So this is the general display that you see, which is in a sort of a light blue colour. Okay, so what we need to do is use the Analyze tab here, and then from the pull down menu choose Mark Parts. Now what that will do is it will then mark the various parts. So this is exactly the same as can be used for milling or for wire EDM if you wanted to view just the slug or just the die part of the shape. So the Analyze gives you the facility to mark the parts so that the two parts are separately identified, and now you can remove the parts by going to the Measure tab and choosing the option Remove Chips, and then you point to the part that you want to remove and depress the mouse wheel, and there you just get the center part. So if you replayed that, reset the graphics, and then just run that through again, and did the same thing this time, we're going to remove the chips, but if we press on the center part here, it removes the slug, so we're left with the outside. So this can be used ideally for producing the STL file that you need for 3D printing, or it can just be used as a visual aid, especially in wire EDM and milling.